Just wasn't my game, and the team broke down defensively.
Oh, Max.
So very ready, and sana lang daw the fans will keep on believing with them. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Erica, and Delson Bowles definitely showing that they are much ready in this ball game. Damang-damong sila, tatlong puntos. Yan ang pinakalaman na ikatala ng dito sa Kansas the first two quarters.
Dito ka pala. Gitna naman siya. Oh, pag nakaupo ka dito.
At sa tapos na tamang mga pa ni Delson Bowles. He'll save the ball to Mark Vickery. Mark Baroga, sinalot ng kagad dito si John Wilson. Pag-dribble mo malo, dito si Delson Bowles, para lumaga si Mark Vickery. Malakas na lang ang bote.
What a play. I think that personifies how important Mark Vickery is for this team.
What action we're seeing here, and Jackson Roman deliberately charged with his second personal foul. This is the brand of basketball na napis ng Bibig naman his partner nung mawala ito si Pink ng second game. Ano, third game, brother?
You know, that aggressiveness na nakikita natin, that he will compete is the one thing na nawala para dito sa Bibig Diamandos.